Howdy YouTube. Well, today I'm gonna bring you along, well, kinda, show you a little bit of project that I'm working on. I'm building a welding truck, is what I'm doing. But I'm doing it out of an old e450 Ford box truck. So this is what I got so far. It's the 738 Power Stroke diesel. It had a box in there. I put some pictures in the video if I remember. But I took that off last week, and I found this bed on Craigslist. And then today I just set it down there just for test fitting. I'm gonna build some mounts and all, but nothing too exciting. And yeah, so that's that. Just kind of want to make a video just to show y'all what I'm doing, because it's probably a good reason, but I ain't seen nobody make a service truck more of a welding truck out of a van. The reason I'm doing it is, yes, I probably would be better off doing it with a pickup truck, but I had this, so it's a diesel. For what I'm gonna have into it, I can't buy what I want for it, so. But yeah, I'll just take you a little bit, tell you my plan. So that is a 11-foot steel utility bed, and then in the middle there where that ladder is right there, I'm going to put my welded, what is it called? What is the name of the thing? My big 40 a big 40 welder. Can't think of the name of it right now. That's gonna go in there. I'm gonna build a platform down there that hooks to the frame. And then my welder's gonna be behind the cab. I'm gonna buy all this right here. I'm gonna take a piece of probably 16 gauge and put it on there. Grab all that, got that crud off of it, ceiling, but do that. Yeah, I mean, it's an old truck. It was from New York originally when we got it the first time. We used it for a little bit. It's only got like 100,000 on it, maybe a touch over. But I mean, it's a good looking truck. I mean, now I'm just going through the process of figuring out how to mount this, build the platform, and then I'm gonna take you onto this bed. That one not bad, but a couple of these, the floor is starting to rot out, so I'm gonna have to do some of that. But all in all, it's in pretty good shape. Got a nice vise on the back, so I can't see that. But yeah, so I guess I'll keep y'all posted on it, and then we'll just go from there. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.